Allah, the Most High, wants you to turn to Him, to call upon Him. He encourages you, invites you, and reassures you that your voice matters. In the Quran, right after the beautiful verses about fasting in Surah Al-Baqarah, Allah makes something deeply personal and profound very clear. He says, "When my servants ask you about me, indeed I am near. I respond to the call of the one who calls me when He calls." Look at how intimate that is. Allah is telling us directly, call on me. Ask me, I will respond. He doesn't say maybe or wait your turn. He says, I am near. I respond. So why hesitate? Allah is waiting for you to ask. Whatever it is, no matter how big or how small, He wants you to speak to Him. He wants you to believe in Him and trust that He is listening always. The Prophet Muhammad also emphasized the importance of making dua, calling upon Allah regularly. In fact, in an authentic hadith, the Prophet explained that not asking Allah, not turning to Him, can actually lead to Allah being displeased. The meaning of the hadith is, whoever does not ask Allah, Allah becomes displeased with him. Subhanallah, just think about that. When you don't ask Him, when you don't rely on Him, it's as though you are saying you don't need Him. And the reality is we are always in need of Him. Constantly, every single moment of your life presents you with a reason to ask Allah. From the tiniest need to the biggest goal, everything in your life is a reason to turn to Him. Just take a moment to explore the beautiful supplications of the Prophet Muhammad. Look at how he would call upon Allah for everything. "O Allah, guide me. O Allah, grant me good health. O Allah, protect me from illness and calamity." He asked for the blessings of life, for safety, for strength, for forgiveness. Even though he was the most beloved to Allah, the most guided, the one who had divine revelation, still he asked constantly. Why? Because asking Allah is not a weakness, it's the highest form of ibadah, of worship. Dua is a declaration of faith. It is a humble confession that, Ya Allah, I need you and only you. Some people might think, isn't it wrong to keep asking Allah again and again? Doesn't that mean I'm trying to control or demand from Him? No, absolutely not. Begging from Allah is not arrogance, it's humility. It's you recognizing who holds the power. If I want something in this world, I wouldn't go ask someone who has nothing, right? Imagine asking someone for $40 million and they don't even have 1,000. They'll laugh and say, I wish I could help. But if I go to someone who owns billions and say, please help me, I'm acknowledging their ability to give. Now think of this in terms of Allah, the one who owns all treasures, all wealth, all power, all mercy. When you say, "Oh Allah, grant me good health," you are affirming that He is the one who holds the health of every single soul. When you ask, "Oh Allah, forgive me," you are recognizing that only He can cleanse the heart and wipe away sins. Every time you ask, you're worshiping. In fact, the greater your dua, the bigger your ask, the more you are affirming how grand and mighty Allah is. The size of your request reveals how much you truly believe in His greatness. So never hesitate. Don't stop asking. Don't let doubts creep into your heart. Ask Allah for everything and anything, even if it's just to take a single step across a room. Even if you already have the ability, say, "Oh Allah, help me." Because every breath you take, every beat of your heart, every blink of your eyes, it's all in the control of Allah. So raise your hands, open your heart, speak to your Lord. He is near, He is listening, and He loves it when you ask. please do subscribe the channel and share it with loved ones who wants to enlighten this